Over the next few weeks, we're going to take a look at some unique fundraising ideas that deliver every time, but are often overlooked. Today, let's talk about what I call the donor question. Many an anxious fundraiser wants to know the question that, when posed to a prospective donor, gets a positive result: a gift. There is such a question, but it may not be the one you think. The query that most of those involved in fundraising think of is something on the order of, quote, will you give to, and then you insert your cause or organization. The unique fundraising idea is the donor question. Not one you ask, but one that the donor asks. How's that? Yes, the question which gets results is the one that the donor asks you. The hard part for many fundraisers is in knowing the question when they already have the answer. Like the TV game show Jeopardy! The goal is to know the question when you're given the answer. Those who would support your cause wholeheartedly and repeatedly have the answer. You must uncover their question. How? By taking the time to learn what they truly value and what they are seeking. So the next time you go out and ask for money for your favorite cause, take the time and effort to learn the questions your donors want answers for. Principle 4 of the 8 principles of sustainable fundraising is learn and plan. Learn about your donors first, then plan on the answers you will give them. Now there's a unique fundraising idea.